Hi everyone, so welcome back. So today I will prepare nice and healthy breakfast. For that I have one toast, avocado with butter, coriander and cottage cheese, black pepper and salt. So let's start. So now I will add bit butter. I will put our toast. So I just put it water for tea. So I will remove our avocado. I will chop coriander leaf. You can see another side also getting very nice grill mark. The cottage cheese. Now time to add bit fresh coriander. So here I add already coriander leaf. If you don't like coriander, so you can use any leaf. There is a basil, there is a dill leaf. I will add our avocado. You can see. I will add little bit salt, and then I will add mixed pepper. There is a red, black, and white pepper. So here is our healthy breakfast with avocado, cottage cheese, and coriander. Thank you for your supporting. Subscribe and share with your friends. And see you soon with another recipe.